Welcome to Latte Art 101. It's gonna be great and it's gonna be fun. We'll learn to steam some milk. We'll learn to make it smooth, velvety like silk. Pour some designs. We're gonna make some art. Swans, tulips, rosettas, and hearts. Alright, coffee lovers, welcome to Latte Art 101. You have taken the first step to becoming a master latte art artist. Wow, that's a mouthful. This course is designed to go from top to bottom. However, if you already have some chops to you, feel free to jump to the lesson of the design that you wish to learn how to do. Regardless of your skill level, everyone should take a look at the proper steaming lesson, as it's a good refresher on how to properly steam your milk, and everything built off that. Feel free to hit me up if you have any questions, and I want to see those designs. Shoot them my way on Instagram at JasonPoursCoffee. Alright, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Happy pouring, and once again, shoot me those designs, and if you like the course, give it a 5-star rating. Thanks, coffee lovers.